3 minutes video without sound, with explanation. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Yes guys, this thumbnail is the video I already have on my YouTube channel titled 3 minutes church Gele HEADWRAP tutorial, because I want to repeat this video again, this particular style again, because when I go through the comment section, I now observe that many people leave the comment down below for me that the noise on that video, because of the sound, they did not understand what I was trying to explain. The sound, the music overpressed my voice. Okay guys, okay, concentrate your eye on this particular one. No sound, just manage my English. I know you will get one or two things. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Thank you. Leave your comment below for me. Tell me what you think. Thank you. Bye. Yes guys, I just decided to bring out the May fabric, the one you already familiar with. This was the fabric I used, the particular one. So I wanted to use this. I said some people will see the thumbnail, they will say, ah, this woman, why? Okay, so this one I want to do the 3 minutes video without sound, with explanation. Okay, so this length, this material is ashoke. You can use any fabric, but this particular one is called ashoke. The length of this material is 70. It's not that long, it's 70. You cannot use long length. So what you will do, just divide it into 40-60. So if we mention 40-60, it means one part is longer than the other side little bit. This is 50-50. 50-50 is equal. So when you take it up little bit, so this part that is remaining is what we call 60. The longer side is 60, the shorter side is 40. So right now you will just grab the 40. You take the 40 like this from the beginning. The video I already have it before, but without with explanation, but there was a little bit, the music was too high. You take the 40, you attach it to the 60 like this. Just attach it to the 60. You see, this one is the leftover. Okay, right now you place it on your head like this. Just place it on your head. Let me come closer. You place it on your head like this. Place it on your head. See the way I place it on my head? Like this. Okay. Now, you bring out your hand from here. You bring it out. You grab this one. You grab it. You use this hand to support this one and pull it. Pull it out. Pull this one out. Pull it out. It's very easy. You can do it. Okay. Once you pull it out, you see this open space here. Just try and cover it up. Set it up. Cover it. This particular style will bring out our ear, but first finish your gele first. You try and cover it. Cover the space. Now, this is my thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. This is what I use for my thumbnail. So the reason I do my hand like this, if you drag your hand like this, everything will now firm. Very firm and tight. Now, you will now use this hand to support and drag it more like this. You see, you drag it. This is where I will create my thumbnail. Once you drag it like this, you use this hand to drag it. Okay. It's very easy. Right now, you will now use this one to create rows. Open it like this. Just open it. As you open it, you start creating your rows. If you want to create rows, don't take the top. Take from the middle and start creating your rows. Drag everything back, take everything back, 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 back. When everything is finished, use this hand to protect here. Continue your rows, drag it, drag, 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 pull it, 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 pull it. Then you take it from under here, pull, 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 pull. Then you leave it. Once you leave it, the rows is already created. Just use one pin and use it to support somewhere like this place. Just use pin. You can get your pin in any tailor shop. Okay, now you do the setup. What is set up, you now position it the way you like it. You can raise it up like this. You can raise it. You can open here a little bit. You can open it. Just set it the way you now like it. It's very easy. You can just raise it like this, the way you now like it. Set everywhere up. Set it up to your taste. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long. Now you push it back. Push it back. I hope you understand now. This 3 minutes, this is 3 minutes church gele. Yes, the previous video is down below, titled 3 minutes church gele with this same head wrap, but the people said the music, because of the music, they cannot hear my voice. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. This is the final. This is the final. Yes, bye.